In the last 7 episodes, we have covered a lot of ground together. We learned that AI does not spy on you. It was trained on public information and recognizes patterns, not secrets. We discovered that AI is already living quietly inside your phones, homes, and workplaces. We traveled back in time, from early calculating machines to 1956, when the term artificial intelligence was officially born at Dartmouth College. We met Alan Turing, the man who dared to ask, "Can a machine think?" We watched AI evolve through 70 years, through winters, breakthroughs, and the rise of language models. We compared ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot, two AI tools built for different purposes. And we looked inside neural networks, tiny mathematical switches, learning from data, getting less wrong step by step. Now, in episode 8, we ask a question that changes everything. Not what AI knows, but how you talk to it. Two people, same AI, same question. One gets a useless answer. The other gets exactly what they needed. The only difference? How they asked. Welcome to episode 8 of the AI Awareness series, created purely for learning and awareness. Have you ever typed into an AI and got a useless reply? Then tried slightly differently and got exactly what you wanted? That is not luck. That is the power of how you ask. It is called prompt engineering. A prompt is simply what you type or say to an AI. Every time you typed into ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot or Claude, you were already writing prompts. You just did not know it. Your instruction to the AI decides the quality of your answer. You type, "Tell me about food." The AI has no idea what you want. Vague in, vague out. Now you type, "Give me a healthy 5-minute breakfast recipe for a busy working mother." Suddenly, the AI knows your situation and your goal. Sharp, useful, personal. Same AI, only one thing changed. How you asked. AI only knows what you tell it. Give it context. Give it your goal. You are not over-explaining. You are thinking like a pro. Rule 1. Be specific. Not "help me write something," but write a 3-line birthday message for my grandfather who loves cricket. Rule 2. State your goal, not just your task. Not "translate this," but translate this into simple Hindi that a 10-year-old can understand. That one extra line changes everything. The biggest mistake? Treating AI like a search engine. 2 words, expect a miracle. AI works best as a conversation partner. Guide it. Weak prompt, plan a trip. Strong prompt, plan a 3-day budget trip to Jaipur for 2 people who love history and street food. Same request, completely different experience. Add context, state your goal. Treat AI like a conversation, not a search bar. AI can make mistakes. Always double check. Just these 2 rules already put you ahead of most people using AI today. But this is only part 1. The real power comes next. This content is for educational purposes only. Consult qualified professionals for important decisions. In the age of AI, awareness makes the difference. In episode 8.1, we go deeper. Advanced techniques that turn good prompts into great ones. Thank you for being here.